Here's how to change your Amazon Prime password. So it depends on whether you are already logged in or not. If you are logged in, then just hover over your account here, and then here go to account. And from here just go to login and security. Then here you can see that you have your password. You cannot read it, but just click on edit right here. And then here you need to enter your current password, new password, and re-enter it. Now, if the problem is that you don't have your password, then you will probably know your email or phone number, so enter that in the login page. But then here you have the password section and you can just click forgot password. Then you can enter your email or mobile phone number that is connected to your Amazon Prime account and click continue, and then enter your zip code or postal code so that they actually know it's you. And then after doing that, an email will be sent to you. And through that email, or maybe through the text message, you will then be able to change your Amazon Prime password. So that's how to change your Amazon Prime password. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.